right, so let's look. Let's have a look at the market. All right, so let's see. I want to see if we can hit this 268.67. Check and see what Q they're doing. Just trying to hold this level. SPY. Keep rejecting. Look at Tesla. That'd have been perfect on SMH. Would have been perfect. So this is the main chart I trade off of. This is 5 minute. Off of this moving average would have been great to the upside. Plus we had call signals. As you can see, that would have been around probably around $12 per contract. Those contracts went almost 200%. Almost 200% just from here to there. Let me see something real quick. All right. Let me See what Qs are doing. So Qs are trying to drop back down. SPY rejected that level. All right, okay, boom. All right, so I don't need that right now. Will that hold is the question. Little squirrel outside my window. Little squirrel outside my window. All right, starting to get a little drop. I want to see this at that 168.67. I'm at 268.67. Excuse me. 268.67. 269. If we get there, I don't think we will. See what the market wants to do rest of the day. Oh man. I thought I posted this video. I guess I didn't. 3 stocks that you can invest in: Contemplate SPY, QQQ, and IWM. All right. Why does that take so long? Why does that take so long? I wonder if I do that. Cool. All right, so let me do. What if I do? No, if I do that. All right, so that's done. What's up?
Yeah. Hey, send me that clip.
Which one?
Kill throwing that ball almost across the court.
To Max?
Who is that? Is that Max? Yeah, it looks like it's in the press.
Yeah.
Who he look like throw that ball?
Let me see where I got it at.
Did you trade today?
Yep. I'm actually live on YouTube right now, so they'll hear you. They'll hear you on the call. But yeah, I traded IWM to the upside.
Okay. You think how much is left on that move?
IWM.
Yes,
So IWM it's only 95 cents left, and it's right below. It's right below 298. So I mean, it was it was two. It was at 268 50, but it's dropping now. So and it just has some put signals, so it may try to stay on the 267.
Okay. What does SPY look like?
Right now, SPY is at SPY rejected a major level. It rejected 695. It just did it not too long ago, and it's already down to 694.
Okay. I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, let me.
But all right, I'm gonna let you go back to live.
All right, I'm gonna find it and send it to you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right.
My son was calling me about some basketball highlights. Where are you? Where are the highlights at? That's weird. It's weird that I can't find it. Here we go. So this was a beautiful rejection. So I got this from the 4-hour time frame. You can see we rejected. And then today yesterday we even retested yesterday. So if I go down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see we rejected there. And we tried to push up. We tried to push up again today. And it just wasn't having it. So when I go back down to the 5-minute time frame, you can see like beautiful rejection here. If I pull up those contracts, SPY. Expected move is still $1.87 on that. So right here we could have looked at maybe the 694s because they're in the money now. So this rejection right here, this right here is this right here. You can see we have put signals right here. So when it's load up, I want to show you what those contracts would have done right here. Contracts was $24, roughly $25, and now look, they're up over 200%. If you would have grabbed the 93s, we may come back down here. If you grab the 93s, could have got those around 20. And they went over 100%. Well, it hold that 694 SPY. Let's see. 888. 693 got 9. Oh, wow. 690 got 31. When last time we touched 690? Oh, that was yesterday. Let me see if let me check his thing. What is going on? G Street. Lamar. Yep. So those contracts actually went 200%. So like, because you had $1, basically a $2 drop from here. So you had a $2 drop from here. I mean, if you'd have got these contracts, you could have got them for what, $12, 15 on the safe side, $15. Oh, and shit. Yeah, okay. Let's look and see what this would have done. If that was squeezed out, that would be crazy. Be crazy. 69. Because it's still got $18 left, so. Even these XPX would have went nutty from this drop. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Basically $75. 202. I'm at 205 on there, 260. That's why that 260. Can we come down to 50? Possibly. It's still below 65. Could come and test that. $125. This was just at 100. Now it's at 130. It went to 200. I want to see if we can get another drop and these contracts go back to 200. You see how quick that was? Just off of that rejection. That's what's funny. 18, 16. Stay below 60. It could get to 50. Maybe even 40. These contracts went to 180. See how those contracts went to 200 this quick, that quick? Boom. That quick. So then I'll be looking at these just to look at them because they're around 100. I like to see when contracts are around 100, like what they can actually go to 90. $50. So this was like 55. So it went over 100% off of that drop. Create and alert. Create and alert. All right, now if these contracts hit this 123 or 120, then you're gonna know something. Need a new low though. Right here. Need a new low right here. Here we go. Boom. So you saw that 20%. All right. The 125 actually. Let's see if we can get new high on those contracts. Send alert, see if we get below. Can we make another new low? See? Back at pretty much 10%, 15%. So the low is 69.54.25. Contract just went to 118. So can we hit this alert right here? And these go to 125 or higher. Maybe 130, 122. They already hit 125. See that? You see that? 140. Come down here. Come down here, smack this. These contracts. These might go 100% since we looked at it. Let's see. They went 30. They went 45%. If it come down and tap this line, yeah, I think these can go 75% plus. Hmm. All right, so we was able to get one on here. Again, you could have got these contracts at least around 70, 75, but I looked at them at $1, so $100 per contract. It went 45%. 45%. Let's check IWM real quick. See what that's doing. Oh, that dropped all the way 266. 266.67. See how it came down to that previous level I had? See how it came down to this previous level? Held it perfect. I mean, you can't make that up. Can't make that up. Right here. 267. Copy. Chart. 15. Let's see what these did in the last few minutes. In the last 5 minutes. 5-minute chart. These contracts at one point were like $10. Went to like 70. That's crazy. Let's go. For some reason, okay, whatever. We'll just live with that. All right, hope you all enjoyed the live stream. If you want to live trade with me on a more frequent basis, I ask that you come join me in my trading community. We're almost at 100 members. It's free to join. If you want to live trade with me, all you got to do is upgrade to the premium tier, where I go live pretty much every single day. But yeah, so in order to find me on that, you just go to skool.com, and then you go to Discover Communities, and then you just type in Stock Option Society, just like that. And I am that first one. Like I said, it is free to join. But if you want a live trade, you must upgrade to the premium tier. That's less than $2 a day. If you want complete access to me, like text-based support, you want to get into my VIP. So, all right, I will exit off of here and enjoy the rest of my day.